Hi and welcome to today's video. Today I'm here with the May Glossybox. This time the box is gorgeous, I love it. Looks like this. It's very blinding for you, I think. Sorry for that. It is so like fresh and nice. And it is reflecting gold pattern, so pretty. Coupon for these glass bottles. I feel like I'm too scared to have glass bottles, like I'm clumsy, so I'm not gonna buy them. And the month's theme is Let the sun shine. And this month's theme is Let the sun shine. And when I opened the box, I noticed I am missing one product. But I just live chat with the Glossybox and they're gonna send me one. Because I did open this a few days ago, but I'm so used to that they get only 5 products. So I'm like, oh, I have 5 products. But then today, when I was going through the back here, all the products, we're supposed to have 6 products. So that's why I didn't notice it when I opened the first time. But I just contact them and they will send me it. And the thing that's missing is this one. Whipping Cleansing Cream by Skin and Company Aroma. So that's a product that's missing from my box. But it's on its way now. Or maybe from today or tomorrow. I feel like that's just we are just human being. I'm not angry because that happens to me too, that I forget things. Especially when I go shopping, I always forget something. That's very annoying, but that's the way it is. But now, time to show you the 5 products that I do have. First is SPF for the hair. That's a really good thing. Hair Protection Elixir SPF 20 by the brand Melusine Paris. Because it's not fun to always wear a hat at the beach, especially if you're going to the water to swim. It's good to have something to protect the hair. And the second product is Illuminating Primer SPF 15. It's by the brand Mono Professional Skincare. Looks like this. And the third product is a lip product. It's called Luscious Lip Stain. It's by the brand Duce and it's a color Passion Peach. Oh, it's really bright in the camera. Oh, it shows up really bright in the camera. But for me, it just looks like a very basic pink. But I guess maybe it looks like that out in the sunshine more. The way it looks in the camera. It looks really nice and bright. And the fourth product is Cleansing Hand Gel. It's by the brand Bubble Tea. And then the fifth product is supposed to be the Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream by Skin & Company Aroma, but that one is missing, but it's on its way now. So the 6th product is this by Babor, Beauty Effect Set. I think I got something similar last year. I'm not sure it's exactly the same thing, but that's fun. Babor. So that's the Glossybox for the month of May in Sweden. So that's the May Glossybox. I'm really happy about the SPF product. They are really useful now. So let me know what product you did really like in this box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you next time. Bye!